2 pounds of late August tomatoes, a single thick slab of barrel-aged feta. These are the heart of a true Greek Horiatiki. Today, we're learning the canonical recipe from two masters, a Cretan grandmother who has made it daily for 60 years, and an Athens Seaside-Taverna chef obsessed with perfect PDO ingredients.
Ah, the tomato, pedhi μου. This is everything. You need 2 pounds or 900 grams of the ripest summer tomatoes you can find. Cut them into thick 1-inch wedges, about 2.5 centimeters. Never dice. Put them straight in your bowl. Their juice, Panagia μου, it is the beginning of the dressing. So important. Kala.
Precisely. The details make the dish. Take 1 large English cucumber, about 340 grams. Peel it in stripes, leaving green bands for texture. Slice into thick half moons, 1 centimeter. For the onion, 1 small red one, 115 grams, sliced paper thin and soaked in ice water for 10 minutes. And only a green bell pepper, 170 grams, for that bitter edge. Opa!
Then the olives. 1 cup, 150 grams of real Kalamata olives with the pits inside. The pit keeps the flavor honest, Nai. And the feta, a whole thick slab, 8 ounces or 225 grams of good sheep's milk feta. You place it on top, whole. Panagia μου, you never ever crumble the feta. It is the heart of the salad.
Our Cretan grandmother is right. The feta slab is sacred. Now, the dressing. Sprinkle 1 generous teaspoon of dried Greek oregano directly on the feta. Drizzle 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of good Greek red wine vinegar around the vegetables, never on the feta. Then 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, of the best Canonical extra virgin olive oil over everything. Agapi μου, no lemon, no balsamic, ever.
Panagia μου, the biggest mistake I see. Lettuce. Horiatiki means village salad, pedhi μου. There are no leafy greens in a village salad. It is just the tomato, the cucumber, the onion, the pepper, the olives, and the feta. Simple, honest. That is the Cretan way. No lettuce.
And the temperature is critical. A cold tomato has no flavor. Never serve Horiatiki from the fridge. It must rest for 5 to 10 minutes to reach room temperature, 65 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 18 to 22 Celsius. You bring the whole bowl to the table, untossed, with the feta on top. It is a presentation. Evcharisto.
Yes, at the table. This is a family moment. You break the big piece of feta with 2 forks. You toss it all gently together with the beautiful juices at the bottom. And you must, Nai, you must have crusty bread to sop up every last drop. This is the best part, what we call papara. Don't waste a drop of that juice, pedhi μου.
The perfect finish! So 3 things to remember. First, always a whole slab of PDO sheep's milk feta on top, never crumbled. Second, no lettuce, and only red wine vinegar for the dressing. Third, serve at room temperature, never cold. My deepest thanks to our Cretan grandmother, Yaya Eleni, and our Athens chef, Chef Dimitri, for sharing the true Horiatiki.